There you go. Okay, so you take that out, take this out. And then you need, I use a little Allen key normally, but there's this little piece right here, and yours to be red. And you go like this. You pull it this way, and then that, when you pull that this way, you can see that. Maybe I will get the Allen key. Nah, this will work. So you pull that little thing here, and you're going to replace that with a stainless one in a minute. Yeah, I'll get the right tool. Hang on. It's easier with these little Bondus drivers. All right, so you put it right here. You can see in there. And then when you put the pressure, then this slides right up. That comes off. See that? This slides out. And then you're going to have this part. It's all the parts you're going to rebuild. This is the red part. You're going to replace these two springs. And then there's two little keepers in here that get swapped out, but mine is one piece, and you'll have one piece too. It looks just like this, but that comes off. Hopefully you saw that. And you have this spring here, and then you have this other spring here. So you replace those two springs. You'll get the red part you have here and your stainless one. Put the little spring on. That goes like that. Big spring goes like that. Pretty straightforward. This is the part where you don't want to shoot it across the stratosphere. This piece drops in just like this. So the trick is to pull it out like that, and then it slipped. Kind of hard to do it, to try to show it so you can see it. This piece here, goes on just like that, and then it's done. Pretty straightforward. And this piece goes back in here. Mine's still got a little oil on it, so I'm not going to bother oiling it right now. But see how that slides? That's what's holding it all in. So that's why Bondus driver catches that and holds it like that. And then this piece drops in the back. I can't see what I'm doing and show you at the same time. It's kind of a pain. Like that. Now we're done. This goes in here. And when you put this in, Al claims that the spring right here where it touches should be at the bottom. I don't know why, just what he claims. Pretty straightforward though. And then this goes like this. There you go.